Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Casey and I'm so excited to be doing this video for you guys. Today is New Year's Eve and I'm going to this banquet hall with my boyfriend and his family tonight. So I have to get glammed up and I wanted to do a video for you. We're gonna get started. First thing, I'm gonna prime my face with a professional. And you guys, in my last video, I mentioned that I wanted to do an exciting video for you guys. And I did try to film it. It was supposed to be a first time beat my face, full glam kind of video because I haven't done that before and I wanted to do it for you guys. But my boyfriend, who was supposed to be helping me, didn't realize that the camera stopped recording, and so I continued the video without any footage and I lost all of it. So I'm sorry that you guys did not get to see that, but it was a complete fail anyway and it was kind of embarrassing. Since then, I have practiced for tonight because it is one of my few times doing full glam on my face, and I decided to show you guys how I cake my face like a pro, even though I'm not a pro. So I'm using this Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation. I went through so many of Tati's videos so I can do my research and figure out what foundations were good for 24-hour, what foundations were good for full coverage, and I tried so many foundations. Well, not really. I tried two, this being the second one, but I tried a lot of makeup products, all for tonight. And it was pretty stressful, not gonna lie. I tried the Wet n Wild Photo Focus because Tati also recommended, and it just kind of didn't work out for me. But then I also wanted to try the Catrice one that she was like raving about, and she did like a video on it, and it just didn't have a good shade range, so I was a little disappointed with that. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now, this is the struggle because I got the Tarte Shape Tape in a mini size so I can try it on for doing under eye concealer, which I've never done before. And I also got like the Coty Airspun powder because Tati literally lives by it and I trust Tati. And it just didn't work for me. Like, first of all, the smell gave me a complete headache. Second of all, I kept getting horrible flashback and I wasn't sure if it was the powder or if it was concealer. So I returned the powder, I kept the Shape Tape, and I tried doing my makeup and taking pictures of each step so I can see what the problem was, and I think it's the concealer, but I still haven't returned it. I'm just not gonna return it because whatever, it's too late. I reused it like a ton of times and it's fine. But I now am just resorting to my Maybelline True Match. No, it Fit Me. Sorry, the label is wearing off. But I'm resorting to the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 25 medium because it's a little bit light for my skin. And hopefully it looks good. I haven't tested it out with this, so I'm just going to do it today and see how it looks. Plus my skin is not being all that nice to me this week, and it's a struggle. Okay, like I said, tried the Coty Airspun, did not like it. Then I got the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. And some people don't like this. Tati actually doesn't like this, which, oh my god, shocker, I'm going against Tati. But, and I'm sorry I keep mentioning her, but this is a true story. I decided to just try it anyway because it's a yellow powder for pretty cheap, and I kind of just am gonna bake a little bit. Not that much though, because I do realize that it's really hard to wipe off of your face if you've had it on for a while, which is like very true. because she did mention that in her video when she tried this, but she tried it in Ghost. So I was like, yeah, that's not my shade, so I'm just gonna try it in Banana and see how it goes, and I think it's pretty good. I'm not gonna keep that on for too long just because it is kind of hard to take off, so I'm using my Morphe brush. Don't know the name, doesn't have a name. I got it from my boyfriend for Christmas. I got a whole set of Morphe brushes, and they're the vegan set, and it's actually so nice. I love these brushes. It's like my first set of real quality brushes. Okay. That should be good, and we will contour and stuff too, so it's not gonna be that white. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Dual Ended Contour Stick. This is actually really good. Like, I really like it, and it's of course Tati approved. A trick that I learned is to contour, you kind of hit like right underneath your actual cheekbone, touching your cheekbone slightly, and then just taking it like halfway down so you can blend it out and it won't look as weird. And I'm just gonna contour in the regular contour areas, including my nose a little bit, because why not? And then I'm taking this flat shader brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And it literally blends like a dream. Don't know if it's the brush or the contour, but it's probably both. It's so nice. So in my last video, I mentioned that I was trying to get the G7X vlog camera. Didn't end up doing that because I thought it would just be a good idea to save money for Christmas gifts, because that was around the time where I would have to start buying them. So I didn't end up doing that, so if you want to donate to my GoFundMe page, please do. Just kidding, that doesn't exist. I don't even know how to properly blend out nose contour. I literally just like taking the Makeup Revolution powder again on a beauty blender. I'm just gonna carve out this part. Okay, we'll leave that on for a little bit, not too long, and then we'll come back. Okay, next thing is Urban Decay Primer Potion. Gonna apply that all over my lids. And my dress is red, so I'm thinking about a red look. I already practiced this, so I know kind of what I'm going for. Okay, we're just gonna wipe off this bake now because I'm scared of it not coming off. I'm using mainly the Morphe palette again, just because it's beautiful. And I'm just gonna take the color Terrain, like always, this middle one right here. I'm gonna blend that into the crease kind of as a transition shade, and just for like a little bit of definition. So leave a comment down below what your New Year's plans were, if you have any resolutions. I want to know everything. As for me, I don't think I have any. I know that sounds bad, but I just haven't really thought about it that much. Or do you guys not believe in resolutions? Because I know some people are like, if you want to change, you start today, or whatever. Next color, I am going to take Hazel, which is this one. And I'm blending that more on the outer portion of my eye, bringing it slightly to like the middle of my crease, not all the way down. My skin is like really lacking hydration recently. Like, I just did a face mask, and hopefully that restores some health and life, but literally, you guys, this whole break, because I'm on winter break, I have been struggling so much with my skin, and it's just kind of annoying. Like, it's everywhere. My eyelids are dry, my eyebrows are dry, my lips are dry, my face is dry. Everything is just dry, and I moisturize every single day, multiple times a day. So what's happening? Okay, next, same brush, going in with my favorite color, Fortune. This one, it's so pretty. It's like a terracotta reddish color. I love it, but it's like not red, it's like reddish brown with red undertones. I don't even know. And I'm focusing that on like the very outer portion of my eye, just like right here, because this is where I'm going to be applying the red, so it'll create like a nice blended look. Okay, now I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking the color Red Ochre, and I'm applying that. I'm just going to define that red outer V a little bit more, blending it slightly into the crease, going like about halfway. Do people actually finish eyeshadow palettes? Like, is that a thing? Do people finish using an eyeshadow palette, like, ever? Sorry, thoughts with Casey. Okay, then taking Real Grwm orangey shade in the crease. Just like that. Okay, now I'm taking this flat shader brush, and I'm going with this NYX eyeshadow in Hot Red. It's literally just a red. Literally gonna pack that all over the corner of my lid and blending it downward into the crease. And I am thinking about creating a cut crease. Hopefully it succeeds, because last time I tried it was insanely messy, but I feel like if the stakes are high, I'll do better. If you hear background noise, that's my sister watching videos on YouTube. I don't ask. I think that's enough red. Okay, now I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand and a concealer brush to carve out this eyeshadow. Wish me luck. Putting it like halfway, or like 3/4 of the way, not the whole way. Okay, that is so messy, but it's fine. Do you guys ever have just that better eye? Like, this eye is my better eye. And that sounds so weird, but that was just so much easier, and it just looks so much better. Oh well. I'm taking another flat brush, the color Sunkissed up here. It's like this pretty gold, pinkish reflex shimmer. Ugh, I always forget to spritz it with some setting spray just to make it pop more. And I'm gonna apply that all over where we laid down that concealer, blending it slightly into the crease and down to the inner corner. Taking that red shader brush again and just blending it together, making sure there are no harsh lines and making sure the red pops again. Then I'm gonna take this tapered brush and taking Hazel and doing my corners again, defining it. taking this really fluffy brush and taking the color Sand. We're just gonna blend out the tops of this. Make it more smooth and pretty. And then one last thing regarding eyeshadow. We're taking this color called Sahara, going right on the inner corner as a highlight. So pretty, oh my god. And then taking it on the brow bone as well. The tapered brush in the shade Fortune and applying it on my lower lash line. We're gonna do this to just bring all the shadows together and not make my bottom look so naked. I'm taking a little bit of Terrene. And then my favorite thing ever to do is take this tiny little brush, dip it in black, and go right on the lash line. I don't know, some people may think it looks bad. I love it. It's my favorite thing ever. Okay. Now time to line my eyes. L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Liner. This is gonna require concentration. This liner is literally so wet and like scary because you can mess up so easily. One wing looks better than the other, and of course this eye. Okay, now I just severely messed up. Okay, I know they're really uneven. I'll probably fix it later, but right now I'm in a bit of a rush. I am going to take these Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 817. They're really pretty. Then I'm taking the Duo Eyelash Glue Dark Tone Brush On. Brush On is literally amazing. Like, I don't know why I ever used the squeezy tube before. Brush On is just so much simpler and easy and just nice. Okay, one lash is on, and now I'm applying the other one. Now that my lashes are on, I'm also sorry for this glare. Like, I've tried to fix it and it just doesn't work. But I am going to apply lipstick, and then I think that we will be good with the look. I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in Dazed. It looks super like pink in the bottle, but on my lips it just completely like changes color and it like turns redder. One last step, I almost forgot. It's important. I need to highlight. So I'm taking the same like fluffy brush as I did before, I don't know. And I'm taking the one in Summer. And I'm applying that just on the highlight areas, so cheekbones. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, sorry. On the tip of my nose, down the bridge, the middle of the forehead, top of my chin, and then Cupid's bow. And I think that is the look. We're just gonna spritz ourselves with the all-nighter. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if there were like weird moments in this video, but I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Leave comments down below for any suggestions or what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys very soon. I love you and Happy New Year. Bye.
Vice. So tired of the back and forth. Walk out and I slam that door. Go